Hey guys, welcome to our channel again, right, Eddie? So today we are at Best Buy. Yes, Best Buy is right there, you guys. So my refrigerator is been acting up and it's not cooling, it's not freezing at all. I have the Whirlpool two doors refrigerator and it's acting up. I got it way back 5 or 6 years ago at a warehouse in Delaware. So it's acting up. So now we are trying to get one. So I'm coming to Best Buy to see if they have like an open box one, or I'm talking to someone on Facebook Marketplace to get a used one. I'm not too sure, but the one that he's showing me on Marketplace is about $500 firm. I try to calm him down about it and stuff like that. He was saying it is firm. So I'm still gonna come here and check to see before I make my final decision on what I want and stuff like that. So yeah, let's come and see what is available for us here if we prefer. The only thing about these kind of what do you call it, these kind of places, Best Buy, Home Depot, the delivery fees, and taking all items, they will want to charge you arm and a leg. So that's why most of the times, like, you go for used ones and stuff like that. So oh, by the way, the boys are in school today. Today's their first day in school. I will insert pictures right here. And Eddie did great today. Eddie and I just came back from his orientation, right? School, and he did excellent, guys. So yeah, so he's in the car with me. He's my buddy riding today, right? Yeah. All right, so let's go. Let me get my mask and let's go and get this stuff and see where we're gonna be at with this whole thing. Okay, guys, so I will film some I might not, so all right, guys, so let's go. So you guys, we are at Best Buy now. So yeah, so I'm gonna see, they have two open box refrigerators, so I'm gonna see, and the prices, guys, they are oh my god. So let me show you guys the prices now on them. Okay, so you guys, this is refrigerator, the modern ones, them now that they have. Look at these, and you open these like so, like that, guys, with the drawers on the side here, and it has the compartments, and this is 3,000. Yeah, that's the price, and that's the monthly fee that you will be paying, but this is the price without tax. Okay. You guys, so, and they have another one here which I like. I don't like that one. This comes with all of this whatever you call it, I can't even remember the name right now. Touch whatever. So this one does have the water filter and all of that stuff. It has 3 compartments. So it has that. It has another freezer section here. So it has all
that's how
of
you
these.
get the popsicles?
Yes.
That's
See
how
Eddie talking about popsicles, right?
that's how you get the water?
Yes.
That's how we get the stuff.
We'll put the cup right here and get the water from here. Yeah. And then you open up here.
Ooh.
So this is the water valve right here.
Ooh.
So this comes out like
I
so.
like this one. You gotta like this one.
You like this one? I like this one too. Right. And this one is low. And it has, this is the ice cube. So it's really nice. And the price for this, and yeah, the price for this is $2,499, and you'll be paying $104 a month, guys. So they have all of these are 3,000 change refrigerators, you guys. Yes.
It looks like the same.
This one,
Mommy.
you guys. The price just make me not want to go ahead and just view that. So this is 2,724 for this one right here. And this one with the ice cube, pull out drawer, pull in drawer, and it has this door like this.
That's
This door
tiny.
comes out, and this comes out and snaps.
Snacks?
Yes, like that. And then you have your refrigerator just like that. Okay.
It smells bad.
It smells bad. Okay.
The AC.
So this is 2,000.
2,000?
Yes.
That money.
And this one that we're looking at, which is basically almost the same as that one, that is 2,000. This first one, 3,000 matter of fact, 3,000 and
They're
change.
both the same.
Well, almost the same. And this is 1,000. What, $2,000?
$2,000.
Almost about the same features.
Hey, no.
And I like that. I like this.
No.
And I like that. So this is $2,000.
See this paper?
This one is
You need to
2,333.
pick one.
Yeah. I can't just come and just pick one, Eddie. Eddie said we should go ahead and just pick one. You guys, so this is what they have. So I'm only gonna do some, you know, but look at this one.
Whoa.
Yes, look at this one.
I get to
So these are all stainless steel. This is $3,779. And this is how it looks. Let me,
Look at this one.
hold on one second. So this is how this one looks. So this is the freezer section. It does have this pullback section here. It has this tray. And it has another tray here. And then it has this 3 compartments here. And removable ice bin. Okay. So this does come out. And yeah. So it does have the touch screen. That's what I was trying to say, the touch screen stuff here, as you can see. So that's the price, and then the monthly fee is right next to it. Okay. So this is $4,000, guys. Oh my God! For refrigerators? Oh my goodness. Well, let me give you guys a good glance. Okay, that's the $4,139. So that's the freezer. It does come with this one. This one is on. When you open it, it comes with this compartment, like so. And then like this, the ice door. It comes with this. Comes with this knobs. Here. Here. And the rest of it is history. Okay. So let's go to, this one is 3,000 and change. So I guess you can put your pictures, you know, touch screen and do all of that. So let's go to, well, let's see here. Maybe they will have some reasonable prices. No, they don't. 1,600, 1,300. This is 1,300. When you want the fancy, you gotta pay for the fancy, y'all. Okay. So I'm looking for the least price here. That's an LG. This is GE. This is a Whirlpool. Whirlpool is what I have now. So this is 1,800. Yeah, this is 1,800 here. So
It feels strange you hold it.
right.
To hold the stuff. Like shock.
So this, I think this is free. This is a refrigerator freezer. 1,200. It's the least I've seen so far. These are like apartments, refrigerators. So these are 600.
600.
Yeah. So so this is $800, well, $900. That's how it comes. And then you got the freezer on top of here. So this is the least that I have seen, which are these two for $989. You got the freezers in here, and then you got the refrigerator, you know, down here. So this is a Samsung refrigerator. So this is another one. This is $1,079 for this one. And
Look at these ones. The small ones.
and that's it. Alright guys, so let's go to the open box, the two open box ones. Eddie, come on. The open box ones, you can just pick them up, you know, pay for them and pick them up. But if you say you're gonna wait for delivery, according to the guy, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen until next week. And I need a refrigerator right there and then, you know what I mean? So let me show you the two that they have. Yeah. So he told me I can pick these up just like that. And just pay for it and come pick it up. But the thing is, you know, so this one right here, this is good. I can take this one, you know, which is a black. It has the thing down here, you know, two-sided, everything. Really nice. It does have this, that one. It's really, really nice. It has shelves as well. It has these two shelves and this one as well. And this is Whirlpool for that price. $1,473. What do you guys think? And they have this open box one as well for $2,239. So it comes with all of this. And all of this. Brand new. So this one looks like it has been used. Well, this is an open box. It doesn't look like it, but to open this, you can tell it does have the plastic and everything inside. So, alright guys, so I don't know which is which. What do you guys think? These two. Let me know down in the comment section, okay guys? I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. So they have all of this